Hello student, now we are again meeting together. Let's discuss about the another points. Today we will start a new chapter 2 of from our syllabus, capital fixed and working. And contents are this chapter is, these things you will study in this chapter: business finance, meaning, nature and importance, sources of finance for different types of businesses, financials, planning, meaning and feature, working capital, meaning, types and factors those who affect to working capital, same fixed capital, meaning and factor those affecting to the fixed capital. So let's start with the first point of this chapter, business finance. This definition has given by B.O. Wheeler. The definition is business finance is concerned with the acquisition and utilization of capital funds in meeting the financial need and overall objectives of our business enterprises. So on this definition, the writer is saying the business finance is the acquisition of a capital, means we can get the capital from many sources. All the capitals you just collected. Acquisition means when you are collecting the capital, and that capital if you are utilizing and meeting all the activities of your business organization is called business finance. Let's take an example. If you are planning something to achieve something, and if you are planning to go somewhere, and before that if you are collecting the sources means money from many ways, and that sources you are utilizing to achieve that goal, it is called business finance. So when a business organization collecting many sources of money, funds, investment, and that money he is utilizing, a person is utilizing into their organizations and achieving their objective and goals, that is called business finance. Now, characteristics of a business finance. It is used in all types of business. Business finance is not for certain things. We can utilize our acquisition of a capital, sources of money in all type of business, small type business and large type of business. Joint stock company, partnership, sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family, any type of a business is running in our country or in all over world. All type business have required such a type of business finance. Without the business finance, we cannot run our business organization. It is it includes all type of a capital and funds, means short-term capital, long-term capital, both kind of a capital we utilize in the business finance. It is a wide term. It is a wide term in the sense we can utilize our capital in a short time. Sometimes it helps to identify where we are involving our money, where we are putting our amount for the business organization, and when we need to stop our money or when we need to pay off some amount, so we can use the business finance in many ways. You can utilize in the business organization, as well as you can utilize for pay off your debt and liabilities. So we can say this is a wide term. Business finance are dependent on the business finance, means all the businesses, those who are running in the world, without the business finance they cannot work anything for their business organization. They cannot achieve their income, they cannot maintain their business, and they cannot increase their growth and development of the business organization. Without the business finance, any business cannot be established for a long term. Not established, it cannot run. Without the business, we cannot run any businesses. So we can say that all type businesses are dependent on the business finance. The availability of finance determines the scale of business operation. If you have a less amount of a capital, so you will decide it how much amount I can invest in somewhere. If you have a large amount of capital, then you can decide which type of a scale of operation we can deal it. If you have a medium type of a capital, then you will decide it how much amount I should secure and how much amount I should use into the business organization. These are the main characteristics of a business finance. Now, next point we will discuss importance of business finance. Number one, can meet firm's liabilities. Means if you have a good resources, if you have a good fund amount in your chest, so that you can utilize in many areas, so you can pay your liabilities as soon as possible when the time arrive on a fixed periodical durations. Prompt payment. So a business have so many things, and business are dealing so many transactions in different time durations. So sometimes if you are taking any decision immediately, a prompt decision, on that time if the dealer or suppliers is requiring immediate payment, so with the help of business finance you can pay off immediately. So this is also a kind of advantages, you can pay prompt amount. Third, advantages for business opportunities. There are so many things are changing in the business organization and business life, and we don't know what would be the next things. Right now you can face there are kind of a virus is spreading all over country, and that virus increasing a different type of businesses in all over country, like as a sanitizer business, like as your grocery materials. For such a kind of a things you can avoid get the materials from a different types of sources of organizations. So that kind of a things give the opportunity to do it into the business organization. If you have a much capital into their business organization, so you can easily to grab that opportunity and can start a new form of activities which is necessary for a business organization. Business run without interruption. Sometimes a person who want to take an actions for his business organization, he can face a many problem if he is not a good amount in their pocket. If a person have a good amount in their hand, so he can take immediate action. He without pressure, without any tension, he can take any action without any problem. So you can run your business without any interruption if you have a good amount of a capital or fund in your hand. Can replace fixed capital. Sometimes it has seen and it has been observed into the organization, time to time business organization have required to replace their materials. If a business organization utilizing any fixed assets into the organization from the last 10 to 15 years, and they are realizing that now this material or assets is not fruitful for organization for a more longer time. So if you have a good amount of a capital or funds, you can easily to replace that material with the new technology of assets. Now, raising funds. If a firm have a good reputation, if a firm have a good capital into their organization, it means they can do the many things. So if a person or any organization a good capital have into their organizations, so that can prove it, the firm have a good reputation or goodwill in all over local areas, in a worldwide or in a country. It helps to raising the fund. Means firm can raise their capital from short-term loan, long-term loan, debenture and other way of a loan. They can raise their capitals. Helps to bridge between production and sales. Sometimes when you are producing anything, so for production you have required much of raw materials, other things which is required for the business organizations. So if a business organizations getting all the things properly on time, so they can produce the materials and they also can sell an actual time. If you are getting the things at the month of May and you will have to sell it on the month of June, and if you have not a much of a amount to sell it in the month of June, so it will be worse for you because the things is required to sell at the month of June. So if you have a sufficient money in a particular organization, so you can maintain a good gap bridge between the production and sales. Face trade cycles and recessions. So, business organization time to time they take a many action, they take many opportunities, they have many things to do, and time to time there are so many product which is working in our country. Time to time they are changing their style, attitude, behavior, and their policy, regulation. That can be possible if you have a good finance in their organization. And if the anything recession will be come into the in a country, that also save it. It also help to the organization to maintain and control their activities. Pay off short-term expenses. Business have so many short-term expenses like as miscellaneous expenses, wages, salary, advertisement, income tax. These are the short-term expenses which is necessary to pay off time to time. If you have a firm have a good amount of a capital of fund into the organization, they can pay their all short-term expenses time to time, and when the expenses pay off on timely and a good periodical duration, so it increase good faith on the people, those who are getting that amount on time. They can give their 100% competency or their work effort to the organizations. So pay off short-term expenses in a good regular time, it also increase the reputation of the organization, and firm can enjoy goodwill, forms and reputation. If a firm have a good business finance and they are raising funds and they are achieving their all the opportunity and they are removing the gap between the production and sales, they are pay off all the liabilities time to time, so the business performing in well manner in all way. So if the organization performing their activities in all the way, that is a kind of a good thing for the organization, which will increase the reputation and goodwill of the organization. Now in the next video we will discuss about fixed capital, capital structure and factors affecting to the capital. Thank you. Stay safe and stay at home.